How to find outliers in minitab. If you'll just go to graph and go to boxplot and then click on simple and then OK. And pop your variable in there. I'm going to do it on the rating variable, which is this first column. And outlier symbols are listed here. We can also put the median on there and the mean. That's all I would do, and it'll have the interquartile range box because that's what a box plot is. Click OK and OK. And then pull this down. You'll need to pull it down a little bit so you can see that. And if there were any outliers, we would see asterisks outside of here. Okay, and any outliers would show up as an asterisk, and there aren't any showing up. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to change one of these, like this first one. I'm just going to change it to 181 because that'll be an outlier and you'll be able to see what that is. So I am just going to graph my box plot again. Simple, okay, okay. And now the box plot's back behind here. And you can see that asterisk right there because now I made that one at 181. And if you'll hover over it, then you'll see that now we do have an outlier at 181. So I hope that helps you discover how to find outliers. In minitab, you can also find them mathematically.